of the Indian Paranormal feature section of the 56th International Film Festival of India. Here gracing with us on the red carpet, we have our guests, Mr. Neel Dutta, director, and Mr. Anjan Dutta, our producer. And hosting with them here on the red carpet, we also have our very own CEO of IFFI and General Manager of NFDC, Mr. Gautam. So we would like to ask you a few questions, Mr. Director. What inspired you to create BFA Meer and bring this story to the screen?
Life inspired us, but also I would like to say this aloud that since I was a child, I used to love Mr. Manila films, which were entertaining, but always dealt with something very socially relevant. And so when I wanted to make a film, I went back to many of his films, watched it over and over again. But obviously my society, my environment is very different, and the times are very different. I felt that my generation is not being well represented in Bengali films these days. So it's about my time, my generation. So they inspired me. Somehow a lot of things just fell into place. And this is a very small film produced sort of in-house. My father was a producer and we both pulled it together and produced the film. And my friends worked in it, co-wrote the script. One of the actors is a writer. So it's like an independent project which truly happened. So the whole thing was very inspiring.
That's wonderfully put together, sir. One more question can we have to our producer here. So what message or feeling do you hope the audience can take away after watching the film?
I think, Francois Truffaut once said that the future of cinema is about it's about films made by friends for friends. I think what he was trying to say is people get together and work outside the studio, friendly people for the love of cinema, and similar kind of people come and watch that cinema. So that is what we try to do. And, I don't know about the message is basically to accept differences, our differences is to accept. But that is not what made me want to produce this film. See, both of us are musicians. We earn a lot of money by singing and playing our music concerts all over the country and abroad. So we saved money from there. We saved money from our music concerts. We earned a lot, more than cinema. So, and that we used to make this film. So it's a totally independent film, and that is what I enjoyed. And I encouraged all the young people. I didn't have any say as a producer because I grew up with great filmmakers like Vinod Sen and Gurudev and Aparna and all these people. And I just wrote the checks. I didn't say anything, and they had fun. And I'm extremely glad that we're here today, that we've been selected officially. And there was a full house. I never expected that at 9:45 there'll be full houses. I never expected my old friends, Sudhir Mishra and all these people to turn up and watch the film. But I feel very proud. I feel very, very happy. I'm very, very grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. It's a good experience. It's a popular film, but with a serious message.
That was very wonderful, sir. One more last question. It is very inspiring to see how you stand for your generation, like how you said, to represent people of your generation, especially in Bengal. What is one message you would like to give on to the future generation and what they can do about that?
Actually, because, as he said, I think he was saying,
We just wanted to make a film. We wanted to have fun. Many of my friends said, if you can't have fun while making a film, it's going to be a very boring film. So it's like, most of the time when I grew up in almost like a film studio, I've seen me making films, I've seen my friends making films. I never wanted to be a director, I never wanted to control a crew of 70 people and things like that. Gradually when I realized that I have to make a film, a lot of my friends are making it, and I could do something which is interesting. So we thought of something fun. So this is, in a way, it's a wedding, it's about wedding, but it's also not about wedding. So it's, it's wedding, setting, etc., something like that. That's called
BA is wedding, BA is marriage, and CA
is just a
CA
line.
doesn't have any meaning.
It's like
chicken.
that kind of
Look
thing.
like that. So it's marriage. It's like that.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.